Hi Gemini, welcome to Falcon Tarot. This is a weekly reading starting 24th of October. How we'll go about with the video is the top row is for you, the bottom row is for your person, but feel free to switch if you like. However, for me, the top row is always for the sign I do the video for. Now let's quickly jump in and see what this particular week has in store for you. The first card that I see for you is Knight of Pentacles, Two of Swords, and Five of Cups. Person B here has Three of Swords, Justice card, and the King of Pentacles. Bottom of the deck I have the Empress card, which means that in some cases it could mean that there could be fertility, pregnancy which is going to happen, and in other cases Empress means that you have the qualities of all the queens, and Empress energy is very strong energy. It means that you will be, or your person will be, the catch of a lifetime, and you will not get a person like this again. Now for the first person, which is your energy, you have the Knight of Pentacles, which means that you're walking very slow. You're walking so slow that this other person may feel that you are not interested, you don't want to put in any effort. Now the second card for you is Two of Swords. Two of Swords means that there is some kind of confusion. Maybe you have two options, two scenarios that you are dealing with, and because of which you are confused. The third card for you is Five of Cups, where you feel that everything is lost in the situation. There is nothing that can be corrected. You can't go ahead and change the current situation. But that is not the case. All you need to do is just turn back, and maybe there's something that you can do to rekindle this relationship and correct things between you and your partner. Now for person B, they have the Three of Swords. Three of Swords ideally means third party situation. So for some of you, it could mean that this person is currently involved in a third party situation. Now the second card for them is the Justice card. This means that if they are currently involved in a divorce case or some legal proceedings, then the verdict will come out in their favor. Now the third card for them is King of Pentacles, which means this person is doing really well for themselves when it comes to finances. This means that they are enjoying the luxuries of life. Now this could also be the reason why they may have got into the trap of somebody else, and now they are trying to just separate themselves from that third person. Now let's go ahead and see what is the intention of this person for you. So the first card that I see here is Ace of Pentacles, Seven of Pentacles, and the Tower card. With Ace of Pentacles, it means that this person wants to offer you a pentacle and see if you want to build something with them in the future. They will start with one pentacle and eventually build on it, which means that they would want to start small and grow that relationship. With Seven of Pentacles, this person will turn back and see the time and the energy that has been put in this relationship. And the Tower card here means that there will be something that will happen unexpectedly. The Tower energy hits in when you or your person, have not been transparent. So this is kind of a shake-up that happens in the relationship because you want to go ahead and tell the other person everything, and that's the the third power or the supreme power's way of telling both of you that you both need to start from scratch. Now let's go ahead and also see what is the message we have from the Moonology Oracle deck. So the message that I see here is a win-win outcome is forecast. This is a positive sign for both of you. It means that there will be something positive that will happen in the future. You just need to have a little patience and just go through this entire process. Now let's go ahead and also see what is the message that we have from the archangels and also a crystal that can help you out in this particular situation. So the crystal that I see for you is Cabotalon Calcite. The crystal message is, are you in love? Are you craving health and feelings of well-being? Become a conduit for allowing heaven and earth to meet you at your center. It is time to acknowledge the essence of the divine love in you. Take the time to nurture yourself. Imagine yourself in the arms of the Divine Mother. Now with this, there is also a message here from Archangel Jophiel, which I'll go ahead and put in the description box. You can read it from there. That's all that I have for you for this particular video. If you like the content, please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification. And like I always say, please stay safe, love yourself first.